So guys, in this video we will be seeing about the size of how we can change the size of the project and our layout. So how we can do that? If you go to the my game, that is the project name, and if you see the properties, you can see the name as my game version 1.0. You can change that also. So that it totally depends on you, because you are a developer. Then you can change that on your own. If you're publishing another game, that is, if you have changed some bugs, and if you find some bugs and you have changed some things, then you can create the version for that. So now you can go downwards and see that in the project settings you can see the window size to be 640 and 480. 640 comma 480. So these are the size of your window. So it's 640 and 480. If you go to layout 1, you can see that your layout is quite a bit larger. That is, layout size is 1280 into 1024. So your layout is somewhat larger, because the main part is that why do you make your layout to be larger than Windows size? Windows size is what a user or the player of your game will see on window. For example, if I run the game, let's run the game, then you can see that these are four boundaries of the game. Let's cancel that. These are the four boundaries of your game. This one and this one, left, right corner boundaries of your game corners, and these are 640 to 480. But your game is somewhat larger. So if you go forward, and if you go this way, then you can see that your game now, if I will move and click more, then I can't go ahead, because we have created our layout size to be 1280 and 1024. So that's why. But our window size is this much, because the user at the first instance will see only this much area. But because the game is somewhat greater, then because we can go this way, we can go forward, we can go up to this much of area. So that's why the layout size is always greater than the window size. You can make it equal also if you are working with some games like uh, that works with only your Windows area. But if you're working with some areas, some games like running games, then you have to create some layout to be bigger. So you can do that. So now you have better understanding of what do we mean by window size and what does we mean by layout size. So you can see that layout size is 1280 and 1024, which is somewhat greater than my game window size. So this, you can see that what is the difference in that. And now I think you have better understanding of how window size and layout size depends on each other. But layout size is always greater than or equal to the window size. But uh, there is no case, I think, where window size is greater than the layout size. So thank you for watching this video. Let's see another topic in the next video.